Suppose you are working on a piece of analysis with someone else, a teammate. Well, there is no need to send coding files back and forth between yourself and your teammate. The both of you can simply hop into an environment such as Google Colab and code in just one notebook. And by doing so, the both of you will reduce duplication and increase work efficiency. So then the next question might be, okay, well, how do you bring your raw data into an environment like Google Colab? There are a couple of ways to achieve this. One way is to first upload your raw data into a folder that the both of you have access to in Google Drive. So assuming you go down that route, then the next step is to then bring that raw data into Google Colab by running these two lines of code over here. So after running these two lines of code, there will be a message asking you for permission to gain access to your drive. And after clicking on allow, you will get this in return. The next thing is to identify your root directory and project directory. In Google Colab, content is always the root directory. So think of root directory as the top of the flowchart. So at the top of the flowchart, you have the root directory, and then you have different branches below, which are the different folders where you store your files. In this case, we are only interested in one particular folder where our CSV files sit, our raw data sits, and this is the name of our folder, and we want to name this our project folder. So run these lines of code over here to complete that whole linkage process. Okay, so after doing that, then you can bring in your CSV file into the Google Colab environment. We'll do that. We'll bring in a CSV file called Portland Families. And then just to check what we have over here, I might ask to see the first 10 lines of the raw data set. And there you have it, success.